What I am about to show you how to do will create a ripple effect on not just the things that you're trying to manifest, but basically every level of your life. This exercise is simple and works very quickly to get results using the systems you already have in place within your operating systems in your body. You literally need nothing else to do this exercise, just yourself and an open mind. And if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Mary Kate, and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert, and I'm pretty much obsessed with getting you results. My whole channel is all about manifesting the law of attraction with meditations and more, where I share the tools you need to get the results you want. I post brand new videos every Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And if you are ready to learn how to use this exercise, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button below. It takes just 1 second, but it lets me know that you're watching and getting value. So once you do that, let's get into it. So when manifesting and using the law of attraction, you'll hear a lot about vibrations. Raising your vibrations, becoming a vibrational match, maintaining high vibrational feelings, vibrations, vibrations, vibrations. And the reason you hear it so much is because it is important and it does work to attract the things that you're manifesting. And to put it simply, in order to manifest something, you need to be an energetic and a vibrational match. You can't attract something that you don't believe you can have, or that you're worried about having, or that you don't feel worthy of having. This is what I call conflicting energy, and it will block you from manifesting every single time, unfortunately. This conflicting energy can show up in the form of wanting something but feeling like it's probably not possible, or wanting something but also being afraid of the changes that might come with it. Or even wanting something, but also having feelings like it's too much, or that it's too greedy, or that you aren't ready, or you aren't good enough. So you need to start neutralizing this conflicting energy, starting with a blank, clean slate so that you can manifest with the right vibrational energy. And here is how you're going to do that. To neutralize the energy, start from possibility, not circumstance. Again, start from possibility, not from circumstance. I feel like that's worth repeating over and over and over again because it's crucial. Stop living from what is and start living from infinite possibility. Yes, you may be struggling right now. Yes, life has ups and downs. Yes, you might be on a downswing right now for some of you, but it doesn't last forever. Things always get better. They always do. And living from what is severely limits what could be. If you are living from your current circumstances, how do you expect to get out of them? Or if you feel like something's hard or impossible, how do you expect it to happen for you? Your circumstances right now, whatever's happening in your life right now, doesn't define you. It doesn't define what's possible. And really, the truth is all that is now, all of these current circumstances, they all come from where you were vibrating before. So if you continue to vibrate from that place, you will continue to get the same results and continue to get the same circumstances. You've already seen the outcome of where you were vibrating before. So it's time to shift and change it. So to neutralize this conflicting energy, stop letting what is stop you from what is possible. Change your mind about what's possible and live from potential, from the belief that everything always works out for you, because it does. And really start to notice feelings that are coming up that conflict with what you want. And basically you can do this by noticing anything that doesn't feel good around what it is that you want to manifest. Anything that doesn't feel good is an indicator that you're not in alignment. So it's up to you to be a detective and figure out where that's coming from, where you're out of alignment, and change your mind about it. This is very deep internal work, so take your time with it. It's not something you do once or twice. It's a shift within. But once you do that, you can begin this exercise from a neutral place, and that is exactly where you want to be. You don't want to start this exercise with conflicting energy. That is an uphill battle. So now that you know how to neutralize that conflicting energy, let's get into this exercise and exactly what to do. You are going to start by choosing one thing that you intend to manifest. If you're new here to my channel, I like to recommend to choose one thing at a time, but as always, do what feels best for you. I mean, yes, you can manifest multiple things at the same time, but I find that choosing one thing at a time gives you sort of a laser beam focus so that your energy doesn't get scattered. And this is really important, especially when you're working with vibrational alignment. So once you choose the thing that you want to manifest, you are going to neutralize the energy first. You already know how to do this. You're gonna notice any part of you that doesn't feel good about this thing or doesn't feel like it's possible, and then change your mind. Live from possibility, not what is. And once you do that, close your eyes and repeat to yourself a few times, either out loud or in your head, whichever works best for you. You're going to repeat, I get to have this and it gets to be easy. I get to have this and it gets to be easy. I get to have this and it gets to be easy. I get to have this and it gets to be easy. Say it as many times as you need to sort of shift into the vibration of ease and allowing. Stepping out of that vibration of fear and struggle and resistance and getting into a sense of complete ease. Because here is a huge secret. The easiest and fastest possible way to manifest something is to feel a sense of ease. And one of the ways that I like to describe this feeling is almost as if your heart and soul are smiling. And that might sound silly or crazy, but hear me out. There's this sense of warmth and excitement and ease. I actually use this reference in one of my gratitude manifesting meditations, and I highly, highly recommend using that to get into this vibration of ease. The vibration of ease is magical. And if you want to try out that meditation, I'll leave a link up here and a link down below, but really use this meditation right after watching this video because it will really start to click for you what this vibration feels like. It'll give you an exact sense of where you need to be vibrationally. So after you watch this video, go ahead and watch that meditation. They sort of go hand in hand. And once you have repeated the affirmation, this gets to be mine and it gets to be easy, and you're in that vibration of ease around this thing that you want to manifest, stay as little or as long as you like. You can sit in this vibration of ease for 30 seconds, 30 minutes, 3 hours. I mean, 3 hours might be a long time, but follow what feels right for you. The trick is that this should not feel like a chore. It should not feel forced. It should not feel boring. It should feel good. It should feel relaxing. It should feel like freedom, excitement, certainty. How you feel is personal to you, but this shouldn't feel like a chore. That might mean you're sitting in the vibration too long. I always say that manifesting is not a one-size-fits-all approach because it isn't. Everyone is unique and different and has their own ways of connection. But this vibration of ease is the key to manifesting what you want and truly shifting your circumstances in all aspects of your life. Trust me when I say that. Let things be easier. And once you feel like you've reached this vibration of ease, you then move forward with certainty. And to do this, you can actually try this writing exercise I talked about in one of my other videos to sort of piggyback off this exercise. If you want to try that one out, I'll leave a link up here and a link down below. And like I mentioned before, if you're having trouble finding that vibration of ease, use that meditation that I linked down below and try it out right after this video. It will all sort of click and make sense for you. I have so many free resources to share with you to give you different things to sort of try out for yourself and see what fits best. Because like I said, manifesting is not a one-size-fits-all approach. So try things on, try things out, and see what works best for you. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And also be sure to connect with me over on Instagram at mkmagicmindset. I share lots of daily affirmation, tips, tricks, resources, and more. And be sure to check out my website, mkmagicmindset.com, where you can find more about my programs, meditations, and so much more. And I will see you in the next one.